Once upon a time in a peaceful forest lived a small bird. All the birds in the forest called her Twinkle. Now, Twinkle was a kind-hearted bird. No matter how busy she was, she always made time to help others. She would often hop along the branches, chirping merrily and looking for ways to help the other creatures in the forest. One day, while hopping along a branch, Twinkle saw a squirrel gathering acorns. He was taking them back to his home for the winter. Now, the squirrel had worked all morning, but he had gathered very few acorns. It was too hard work. You see, the winter had been long and harsh, and the squirrel was too weak to gather many nuts. He sat down on a branch, sighing heavily. Seeing this, Twinkle hopped down from the branch and asked him, "Are you all right?" The squirrel explained to her how tired he was and how he couldn't gather enough food for himself and his family. Twinkle immediately set to work. She flew down and picked up an acorn in her beak. Then she flew back up to the branch where the squirrel was sitting and dropped the acorn near him. Then she flew down again and picked up another acorn and brought it to the squirrel. She did this until the squirrel had gathered enough food for the entire winter. "Thank you, Twinkle," the squirrel said, his eyes filled with gratitude. "You saved me from going hungry this winter." Twinkle just smiled and chirped, "It was my pleasure." Not long after, Twinkle heard a soft cry. She followed the sound and soon spotted a baby deer stuck in a thorn bush. The poor creature was frightened and tangled, and she couldn't free herself. Twinkle flew down and carefully pecked at the thorns, freeing the baby deer. "Thank you for your help, little bird," said the baby deer, her eyes shining with relief. Soon, it was winter, and the animals in the forest were busy gathering food and preparing for the cold weather. Twinkle spent her days flying around the forest, helping anyone who needed assistance. One day, a fierce storm struck the forest. The wind howled and the trees bent under the heavy snow. When the storm cleared, Twinkle's tree had been damaged, and she had no place to shelter. But the animals she had helped over the years came to her aid. The squirrel built her a cozy nest in his tree, and the baby deer shared her warm spot in the forest. Twinkle was so grateful for their kindness. She realized that even though she was just a small bird, she had made a big difference in the lives of the other creatures in the forest. And so, Twinkle learned that kindness, no matter how small, always returns when you need it most. Moral: kindness is a gift that keeps on giving.